We keep talking about lead generation, and we think of lead generation as this big bad demon, something that that is very difficult to manage. But if you look at it, lead generation is pretty much a process, and like all other processes, if you keep investing the time and do it repeatedly and do it consistently, then you are bound to get results. The other point that I would like to make is lead generation is an outcome. It is not a standalone process by itself. It is an outcome of certain things that we do to drive results for our business. So key points that I would like startups to look at is, first of all, who is our ideal customer? I emphasize on building an ideal customer profile, which is who are we going behind, what is their pain point, what size of companies, what locations. Be very, very clear about the size of the customer that you're going behind. That is the first thing. The second is to be able to tell your story right. Get your story right. What is the pain point of the customer? How is your product or service meeting that need or solving that problem for the customer? That is the second most important point. And the third part is to be able to do the lead generation process consistently and avoid the trap of what I call as pulling the plant out to see if the roots are growing. So if you consistently keep revisiting it, questioning yourself, questioning the process, this is not going to work. So you have to invest in the process for at least 2 to 3 quarters, 6 to 9 months. Then the lead generation process will start delivering results for you. Thank you.